and anti-government corrupt political parties leaders, right up from the political parties members and the political parties leaders, that is the revenue minister, panchayat minister, PWD minister, and the TCP minister. And even if time comes, put the departmental inquiries to the chief minister and the home minister, because I have raised several issues against the chief minister that he is not be fitted to become a chief minister of the state of Goa. Now, I have received also a complaint from the President of India. I don't think any MLAs or any political parties have received a letter from the President, because I was fed up. I was frustrated with the state government of Goa making complaints again and again and again. I'm fed up. So I thought of making this complaint to the center and reach these issues direct to center, because I don't know, not even one MP I am hearing that they have taken the state of Goa major issues, major fraud, major scam, major public money loot to the Delhi and center. So that I am bringing this awareness to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha members to highlight the state of Goa issues and see that all these companies has been booked where they have been taken this public fund loot in the name of development, where I have got a president of letter marked to the chief secretary. And this chief secretary is, I can name him as an anti-government corrupt chief secretary of the state of Goa, and he is not to be fitted to become as a chief minister, because he doesn't know how to take action. Because when I am getting the replies from the President of India, why the chief secretary cannot take action against all these departmental, I would like the media press take this president letter and submit to the chief secretary asking why they have not acted with my complaint. And I am submitting this copy to the press, media, and the reporters to highlight these issues right up to the Delhi and Central. Thank you. In the name of the state of Goa and in the name of all my supporters and the press, media, and the things, so that I can get this justice of my complaint, where I am on the written correspondence before all these investigating agendas. Thank you.
सर तुम्ही एंटी गोवन्स म्हटलेले आसा.
Yes.
कितें म्हणून ते एंटी गोवन्स?
Anti-government. As far
आनी
as
तुम्ही
the
डिपार्टमेंटाक टार्गेट केलेलो आसा.
Yes. Well, see, state of Goa, as far as the investigating agencies, authorities who are sitting in the department as an officers, directors, dealing hands, and the superiors of the lower rank officers and the higher rank officers. These are the main people who have been given a cabin to sit in the office, in the AC cabins, and they are supposed to act with the complaint. They are supposed to act with the complaint and give a justice to the complainant and to the applicant. And when they don't know how to give the justice to the applicant and to the complainant, so I can name them. They are not to be fitted as officers, directors, dealing hands, and the superiors. So they have been only named, that is why I have named them as an anti-government corrupt investigating agencies officers.
Have you proof any officer has been corrupt till date?
Till date, when they don't know to furnish the replies as far as the PWD is concerned, when I have given these copies to the press, media, and the reporters, when I can get the replies from Delhi, central from the President of India, why Goa state government cannot take this action? If Goa government investigating agencies officers would have been taken this action, my complaint would have not been reached to the central.
Have you visited any officer regarding your issue?
Yes, collector with my complaint. All the complaints what I have given it to you. When I made my complaint, I have got this thing. Only they are doing the transferring from this department to that department and that department to this department, and only to waste of time.
Your issue is this drain.
Yes.
So drain, the footpath is from right from that circle till here.
Yes.
And here also is a drain. They have to mark here.
Yes.
So already they have marked that drain, and you should apply to the High Court, something like that. So why you have not approached to High Court?
High Court. When there are the investigating agencies, officers, or authorities, why we have to spend money from our pocket to the advocate or to the High Court, and who is going to give us this money to pay this advocate fees? It's a government responsibility. Government should file. As far as I named them, they are anti-corruption. I know that they are anti-corruption, and I have asked what was the amount received from Delhi Central and what was the investment of the state government for this thing. Till date, they have not furnished me this reply. They are saying this complaint. When I made a complaint, they are saying this complaint belongs to the Revenue Department and the PWD.
Okay. What do you want to give message to our Goa CM?
The message I want to give for the Goan people that whoever acting as a higher rank officers and the lower rank officers don't know how to give the justice to the complainant and to the I want to give this. People should already came on the road, on the street, shouting against the government, and they demand the president rule for the state of Goa immediately because of this corruption. This is the message of mine.
सर ही जी ड्रेनेज आसा
होय
ही ड्रेनेज ऑलरेडी मार्क जालेली आसली
होय
तर तुम्ही त्यांना कित्याक ऑब्जेक्शन घेवंक ना
केला जेन्ना ही ड्रेन मार्क केलेल्या हांवें तुका कॉपी दिलेली आसा वेन देर ऑलरेडी ड्रेन इज दे आणि तेजेर ऑलरेडी पब्लीक फंड्स ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्टमेंट इज दे फॉर दीस ड्रेन ओन्ली थिंग क्लीन केलें ड्रेन जालो इश्यू काबार न्हू
आता तुम्ही जो स्टेटमेंट दिला इन फ्युचर तुमकां इन्क्वायरी आपयल्यार तुम्ही प्रेझेंट रावतले थंय
101% inquiry. I am already right up from the top to the root and the root to the top with the investigating agencies officers.
What is your demand now?
My demand is unnecessary where you don't require any development. You should not do any development. Why you require? We have already given them the bypass road. Why you want the development here?
सर तुमचो जो विषय हा तुमच्याच घरा फुडल्यान आसा काय ऑल
All. And पयल्या दिसा the day one, the bulldozer have came. All the villages of Nuvem came to my house. I'm telling you, I'm briefing this very clearly to the villages of Nuvem. I wasted my time. I made my sacrifice without seeing the time. In the night time, 8 o'clock, I have reached to Mapsa to bring the advocate from Bombay High Court. From Mapsa to Nuvem we came. And after that, the second day, there was no voice only of the people of Nuvem. They are only observing what is going on. I don't know why they have kept it silent.
सर तुम्ही
Only I was the person, till I am not in silence, till I want to see what is the development is going on in this area.
आयज तुम्ही प्रेस आपयलेली आसा बट हांगासर तुमच्या वांगडा विलेजर कित्याक ना रिजन कितें
That only I told you. The first day the villagers were there. When I have brought a high court advocate, and we have already had a meeting with the high court advocate, along with at least 40 to 50 people. I say माझे बराबर ना कित्याक ना ते I don't know to tell you the truth.
Rain is there. पाऊस आहे.
Because of rain. Okay, maybe because of rain. Okay.
या थँक्यू
Yeah.
सर तुमकां कितें उलोवपाक जाय
ना.
मॅडम
Panchayat Kottali, village panchayat of Nuvem, and not the central village panchayat Nuvem Kottali. Now I want to ask the village panchayat of Nuvem also, why they have not taken see all bushes are there. Their panchayat is not receiving the fund to clean these bushes. I am putting my money and I have cleaned all these bushes here, right up front. I have put the labor and I have cleaned. It is the panchayat duty. Government knows only that it is the government road. Government should know also how to make the roads clean.
आणि आता ती जे शेवाळे येयलेले
होय.
बुलडोजर तो जेसीबी खंय तेंच्यांनी हे केलेले ते वीच प्लेस
पयलं द डे वन जेसीबी पळयलेली ती ना हांगाय दाखयतना वेट हांगा पयली येयलेली आनी तो इंजिनियर टोपी घालून येयलोलो आनी असो म्हाका मोबायल दाखयतालो हमारा पास दिल्ली का ऑर्डर है हांवें ताका सांगलें तुम्हारा पास तो दिल्ली का ऑर्डर है मोदी को लेके हांव सांगलें ताका हांगा आनी तो गेलो मागीर मोदी को लेके आओ बोला इधर हमको कोई नहीं चाहिए मोदी चाहिए काय केले सेंटर का तो मोदी इन चाहिए
आणि खंयसर तेंच्यांनी खणला ते
आता
Which
फोनला त्या
place?
बेटीला या
स्टार्ट करून म्हणजे हिंगा दाखव
किलोमीटर
कितलो मीटर आसतलो
2 मीटर
आसतलो बायचे म्हाका
हां 2 मीटर असतो 2 मीटर माहिती असलो होला 3 ना हां रुंद आहे का शिव 3
सर तुम्ही ऑफिशियल कितें डॉक्युमेंट्स मागलेले तेंच्या
हांवें
कितकी
तांकां-
ड्रेनेज रुंदेक आसतली लांबेक आसतली
माझे
अशें
सगळे
कितें?
तुका पळय हांवें पळय प्रेस आतां नोट पळय दिला तेजे सगळे ऑफिशियल डॉक्युमेंट जे हांवें मागला ते सगळे लेटरां करस्पॉन्डंट तेजे रिमार्क ऑफ द कलेक्टर ओनली मेकिंग इज वॉशिंग द हँड अँड पुटींग माय कंप्लेंट फ्रॉम दीस डिपार्टमेंट टू दॅट डिपार्टमेंट हांवें तुका पयलें सांगला आनी तो हे डिपार्टमेंट सांगता त्या डिपार्टमेंटाक घालता
हिंग येवन तुका व्हिडिओ काडपाक कोण परमिशन दिलें
तूं सांग
पब्लीक रोड
पब्लीक रोडार राव
पब्लीक रोड आसा हें कर
ओके
ओके आतां हो पब्लीक रोडाचेर आमी आसा ओके आनी हो पब्लीक रोडाचेर म्हाका गरज ना म्हाज्या घरा कोण असले ड्रेन येयलेली
ओके
because I have not taken any money. My parents have not, my mother-in-law's house, they have not taken not even 1 rupee.
ओके थँक्यू